Thanks, man.
You okay, man?
I'm okay. But I'm not okay at basketball.
You want us to teach you, man? Because we got you.
Sure. So, sir, how do you play basketball?
Alright, so the first thing you know how to do is passing.
Whoa. So how do you pass?
Alright, so when you pass, you gotta pass in a straight line so the ball doesn't get stolen.
So you mean like a constant function?
The function is f of x equals b, where b is a real number. So the domain is the set of all real numbers and its range is a single number b, where its graph is a horizontal line and the constant function is an even function.
Alright, the next path is a bounce path. And basically, it's like the other one, except it's in a V.
So like an absolute value function.
The function is f of x equal to the absolute value of x, and the domain is all real numbers and the range is all non-negative real numbers. So the intercept of the graph is at 0, 0. So the absolute value function is an even function. It is decreasing on interval negative infinity to 0 and increasing on interval 0 to infinity.
The last pass you have to learn is an alley-oop pass.
What's that?
It's like a diagonal pass to someone that's dunking on the rim.
So like an identity function.
The function is f of x equals x. The domain and range is the set of all real numbers. Its graph is a line whose slope is 1 and whose y-intercept is 0. The identity function is an odd function that is increasing over its domain.
Now we're gonna go into shooting, like layups and stuff. So the first shot you gotta know is called the sky hook.
What is that?
It's like you do this. It goes up for a little bit and it goes straight.
So like a square root function.
The function is f of x equals square root of x. The domain and the range of the square root function are the set of non-negative real numbers. The intercept of the graph is at 0, 0. The square root function is neither even nor odd and is increasing on the interval 0 to infinity.
Alright, the next part of basketball you have to learn is almost the most essential one. It's shooting.
Shooting. How do you shoot?
Well, when you shoot, you want to shoot it in like an arc, sort of.
An arc. So it goes like that.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's like a square function.
The function is f of x equal to x squared, where the domain is set of all real numbers and its range is set of non-negative real numbers. So the graph of this function is a parabola whose intercept is at 0, 0, and the square function is an even function that is decreasing on the interval negative infinity to 0 and increasing on the interval 0 to infinity.
So next we do layups. Alright, so there's certain type of layup. Let's say there's a defender in front of you. You gotta switch the ball from one hand to another, like that.
So like a cubed function.
The function is f of x equals x cubed. The domain and range of the cube function are the set of all real numbers. The intercept of the graph is at 0, 0. The cube function is odd and is increasing on the interval negative infinity to...
It's called a crossover. You're going this way, move forward, and then this way again.
So it's like a cubed root function.
The function is f of x equals the cube root of x. The domain and the range of the cube root function are the set of all real numbers. The intercept of the graph is at 0, 0. The cube root function is an odd function that is increasing on the interval negative infinity to
Another
infinity.
move to get your defender off you, it's kind of like the crossover, it's called the hezzy.
So how do you do it, Hezzy?
You're going to go here, and you're going to fake this way, so your defender's going to go this way. Drive through this way.
Kind of like a reciprocal function.
So the function is f of x equal to 1 over x. So the domain and range is a set of all non-zero real numbers. So the graph has no intercepts. So the reciprocal function is decreasing on the intervals negative infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity, and it's an odd function.
Now that we've taught you all of our skills,
You better not be quite cheap.